6.3, we're going to be performing function, operations, and composition. What we're going to be doing on this video is just the operations. In other words, we're going to take functions like f of x, g of x, h of x, things that look like this. And remember, these are all another way of saying y. All right, but we're just going to be taking these and we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So those are the operations that I'm talking about. All right, so let's do the first one. All right, f of x. All right, so it's negative 2x to the 2/3 plus g of x plus g of x to the 2/3. All right, now we just basic addition. Since these are the same, I can go ahead and add the coefficients. So negative 2 plus 7 is 5x to the 2/3. F of x minus g of x. So take the same thing. G of x and now again these are the same, so negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9 x to the 2/3. Now we want g of x, so I'm going to take 7 x to the 2/3 minus a negative 2 x to the 2/3. Well, this becomes a plus, so that gives me 9x to the 2/3. All right, see, we're adding and subtracting, so that means the variable portion, this right here, and all of them, since they are the same, we just keep them the same. All right, we're just adding or subtracting the coefficients. All right, what I want you to do is I want you to do 4 and 5. Multiplication, division. All right, hit pause, try it, and then hit play, and then compare your results. All right, so f of x is 3x times g of x, which is x to the 1/5. All right, so now we multiply. Well, 3 times 1 is 3. Bases are the same, so I keep the base, but I add the exponents. It's understood to be a 1 here, so 1 plus 1/5, which is 3x to 1 1/5. But we don't write our exponents as mixed numbers. We write them as improper fractions. So we've got to take 3x, so it'll be 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so it'll be 6/5. And there you go. F of x is 3x over g of x, x to the 1/5. All right, the 3 just stays. Bases are the same, so I keep the base, but now I subtract the exponents. So it'll be 1 minus 1/5. So 1 minus 1/5, so that's what, 5 over 5 minus 1/5, because I gotta get the denominators to be the same, so it gives me 4/5.